Philips Hue. Hi guys, I'm finally back to vlogging. Today is December the 21st and I had my last exam last night from 7 to 9:30 p.m. and I'm finally ready to move on with my life. Yesterday was like the second last day of exams, so the library was extremely sparse and it was so depressing to study in there and just waiting the whole day to take my test. Also, my Philips Hue lights turn on at sunset every day. It's literally 4:11 p.m. and they are bright and shining. This is terrible. The shortest day of the year was yesterday, so things are looking up from here. My boyfriend's having his lunch now because he's busy building a computer all day. This is chicken shawarma.
Yeah.
What's this? This is turkey. Okay. Then he got his regular mega mango slush drink, and then I got what brulee taro coconut milk drink. It's limited edition and it just sounds so good right now. The taro's has like it's more chunky. It's not like a smooth paste. I don't know if I like the chunky taro. Spicy shawarma Subway. Alright guys, so my boyfriend won a competition at work last week and his boss is awarding him a one-night stay in a 5-star hotel. It's literally like 20 minutes away from my house, but it's gonna be fun and I'm gonna vlog it. I'm already packing and I feel like my cat's like unpacking for me because he doesn't want us to go. Whoa, what's that lamp? Oh, it looks funny. Okay, that bathtub, I know why they got the award for best bathroom. Wow, and they have robes and an espresso machine. That's so great. Just did my makeup and my hair smells amazing from their soap, so I think I'm gonna try and find out how much it is, and if it's reasonable I might buy it. This is like the brand, and then they have more in the shower. It smells so good. Last night my boyfriend went out and got us champagne while we were in the bath. This champagne has like scents of I think like cocoa and raspberry. It's a very romantic champagne. And then the bath bomb's all gone, but it kind of dyed the towel pink. So hopefully that's not an issue. I found this lippy in my bag. This is Paramount and from MAC. And this is the one that they had in Friends apparently. So I think it's a very good winter or fall lip. It's definitely a lot brighter on camera. That's more accurate. Definitely medium rare. Wow, amazing. So while my eyebrows bleach, oops, I need to set a timer for this. I forgot. This is my gift for my sister. So the first thing that I got her is an ergonomic mouse because she edits a lot of videos all day, and I think she has like weak joints and ligaments, so I think it's best for her to get a ergonomic mouse so that she doesn't hurt something down the road. A deep tea candle. I went and smelled all of them, and my boyfriend and I decided that Freesia was the best smelling one. Yeah, it's just like, it smells so clean but also so girly. This is the candle that I've been burning. This literally lasts so long, but the wick is a bit messy. It just smells like vanilla cookies, like baking, you know, in an oven. Happy birthday to you.
Eric, do you want to write like your name?
Hi guys, so today is Christmas Eve and I've had a pretty hectic morning. So actually this morning I woke up bright and early and got to Costco like just past 8 o'clock when they opened to grab a couple things, and then at 10 a.m. I lined up at the butcher shop to pick up my order for I forgot what it's called. Anyways, like the cut of meat for a roast. And then I came home and got that ready, and then I played Unravel for a bit with my boyfriend. We're gonna finish up the beef roast that my boyfriend and I are making, and then we're gonna head over to Amber's house. Is my contour too harsh? I'm wearing something really simple because it's just gonna be our family, but like it looks very prude from the front, but in the back there's a little bow and a little cutout. Can you see that? I'm gonna go prepare some Brussels sprouts now, so I'm gonna bring you along. Sorry, Mommy, which one did you want? That's, wow, look at that gradient. Oh my gosh.
Rip! I fell inside. One fell inside, the other one is there.
No! Happy Christmas Day, everyone. I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas and my Ralph Lauren sweater. Watching the animated Grinch, okay, and then we picked up some sushi and we bought the salmon sashimi separate from the rice, and my boyfriend was able to cut 9 pieces of salmon sashimi and made all of the salmon nigiri in Richmond called Banzai Sushi. Look how big that is. This is a regular roll size. This is like, that's insane. That well versed in white culture. We've made it to the city and now we're going to go get some Italian pizza. Amber brought me this fur coat so I'm wearing it, but I look kind of silly. Speaking Chinese there though. Hi guys, so I finished getting ready. I'll show you guys my makeup. It's a little bit darker than usual because I don't usually add too much liner on my bottom lash line, but I did today for the extra spice. For my outfit, I'm wearing this top from Urban Outfitters, and then I'm wearing a really long skirt, but I'm wearing leggings underneath, and you can kind of see the legging seam. That's fine because it's way too cold for me to not wearing pants underneath.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Okay, it's filming, going. Don't hit the wall. Look at that spam looking one. to go get lunch, and then we're doing night skiing because it was a lot cheaper. But this is my outfit. I hope I'm wearing enough clothes. I have a proper balaclava, but this one's cuter, so I'm gonna wear it right now. We're waiting for them to get the rental equipment. I'm already in my gear. It looks kind of ugly. We just finished our first rundown. I mean, I can get down no problem. I just can't figure out how to do the toe side at all. But anyways, makeup still looks cute. Now let's see them. Papa! So excited. No.